Look at this. It is so bouncy and nice. Hello everyone, welcome to Vegan Life in Trivandrum. In today's video, we'll be learning recipe of Palak Paneer. What is so special about Palak Paneer? There are various ways in which Palak Paneer can be prepared. Like the same way, there are many ways in which paneer can also be prepared. In usual course, people prepare paneer using dairy milk or animal milk. In vegan lifestyle, or when the paneer is prepared using plant-based source, it is prepared popularly using soya, which is known as tofu or soya paneer. You can also prepare paneer with all the plant-based milk like peanut, cashew, almonds and such. But have you heard that you can prepare paneer using vegetables? You can prepare paneer using cabbage, cauliflower, raw bananas and such things. Yes, search on internet, you will find out recipes of all those paneers. There are so many ways in which you can prepare the plant-based paneer. In this video, we'll be preparing paneer with one of the ingredients I just mentioned. To find out what ingredient I am using for making vegan paneer, the vegan palak paneer, watch the video till end. So let's move ahead. I have taken roughly 130 gram of palak and I have washed this palak with water for 3 times. The water is kept for heating so that we can blanch our palak. So I am adding Himalayan pink rock salt to this water. It's been 2 to 3 minutes, so let's now remove the palak leaves and transfer it to other water, cold water. To stop the cooking process, we have put ice and made the water really cool. In a grinding jar, add 5 cloves of garlic, 5 to 6 leaves of coriander and the blanched palak. If you want, you can add ginger and chili to this mixture. This is how our grinded mixture looks. In a kadai, we will add half teaspoon jeera, cinnamon, 1 cardamom pod and 1 bay leaf. We are preparing this curry without a single drop of oil. So when you get nice aroma of this dry spices, we will add onion. It's the time to add the finely chopped onions. We will cook onions till they are golden brown. Onions have become golden brown. At this point, we will add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Seconds. We can cook ginger garlic paste for maybe 30 seconds. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of gram flour. This will give nice flavor and binding to our curry. Now we will add tomato puree. This tomato puree is made by grinding 2 small tomatoes. Let this cook for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Been 1 to 2 minutes. Now we will add the palak puree and along with that we will add all the spices. This is 1 tablespoon coriander powder. This is half teaspoon jeera powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt to taste. Let's give a good mix to this. We will allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Adding 1 cup of water. Add 1 more cup of water because once we add the paneer cubes will soak a lot of gravy's water. So to make it a little bit liquidy kind of gravy, we will add 1 more cup of water. To prepare paneer, I have taken cauliflower and it measures roughly 250 grams. I have washed this cauliflower thoroughly and have broken down them into small florets like this. I have checked for any worms or insects inside properly. And now we will put this in the cooker and we'll add 1 cup of water. The pressure has released and we will now open the cooker. The cauliflower has been cooking for 1 whistle. So this is how it is. Now we will grind this cauliflower. I have chopped the cauliflower into small pieces and now we will add this to the grinding jar. Earlier I have tried this recipe without cooking the cauliflower, so that time the result for paneer was not that good. I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of vegan cashew curd. The recipe of this cashew curd I will be sharing in the description box. So while grinding, make sure you don't add any extra water. Grind only with ginger garlic paste, cauliflower and the vegan curd. Let's transfer this into a mixing bowl. We are adding 3 tablespoons of rice powder. You can also add gram flour if you don't have rice powder. But make sure the mixture is dry. And this we are adding to give binding to our vegan paneer. Now let's add salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a good mix. After mixing, if you think that the paste has become very sticky and still very watery, then you can add 1 more tablespoon of rice powder and give it a nice mix. So here I have added all together 4 tablespoons of rice powder. Now let's spread this mixture in this plate. So for that we will grease the plate with little bit of oil so that the mixture doesn't get stuck on the sides and the bottom of the plate. Let's spread this evenly. We will steam this for 20 to 25 minutes. We will heat water and keep this small bowl on top of which we will keep this plate and we will allow it to steam for 20 to 25 minutes. The flame has to be on low. Sorry for interruption. If you have reached this far in this video and yet not subscribed to it, then please show some love by subscribing to this channel so that I can make more content like this. And above all, subscription is for free. It's been almost 25 minutes since our paneer, the vegan paneer, is getting steamed. So now let's take it out and allow it to cool down completely. So our paneer has been resting since some time and it has cooled down. The surface is really dry, so let's make pieces out of it and add to our curry. Let's remove the paneer cubes. Look at this, it is so bouncy and nice. So we have added the paneer cubes, vegan paneer cubes to our palak paneer gravy. Now the curry is almost done. Let's begin the process of serving it. So here is our yummy, delicious vegan palak paneer. You can have this with rice or chapati, parotha, or you can have it just like that. It tastes so yummy. To make the gravy richer, you can add cashew paste, and you can add half teaspoon of jaggery powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder to add that extra flavor to your curry, but this is completely optional. Let me know in the comment section with what other plant-based ingredient you are planning to make your vegan paneer. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.